Will's the kids are awesome.
You guys watching a Disney video?
No!
Oh, cool. Moana. So, are you guys sick of school?
Yeah. I hate school. I hate my teacher. Well, my teacher's kind of nice, but she's strict a little bit.
So, I've been thinking today, and I'm thinking that we need to move ourselves to Disneyland.
Yes! Let's do it!
So, okay, hold on. So I talked to Dad, and he's gonna rent us a Uhaul, and we're gonna move ourselves to Disneyland.
Can we go inside the store and
Yep.
get some money to give him some money?
Yeah, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's go.
We got our shoes right here because we just got done.
Alright, let's go. We gotta go to Uhaul.
I need this guy a new bag.
Okay. Oh, he just fell. The Sunset Store. Here we go. You didn't put him in, silly. Ready to go, George? You want to go to California Adventure? Look, there's Dad's name on the building. Right there. It says General Manager David Woolsey.
Okay, come step up to the counter over here. We are just opening today, guys. You guys are my first customers.
Yay!
This is
Anyway, I know
awesome.
that you're a dad.
Yes.
I decided we're going to move him to Disneyland.
Ooh, that's a good way of doing it.
Yeah.
What do you think, George? You want to move to Disneyland?
Okay.
Now what will that do?
Who has a pen?
Uh-oh. I
Say,
have a flashlight.
come on, General Manager.
I brought a flashlight
Okay.
for some no reason.
I just need you to sign for me to rent this truck, okay? We're giving you our biggest truck. It's a 26-foot U-Haul truck. You can see it right out the window, right there.
With the how much will it cost?
You're going to California?
California.
Where at?
We're going to California Adventure. Yeah.
Let me pull that up on my phone. Let's see, to go to California will cost you $850.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
that's
Are
just,
you gonna drop it off or do you have to come back in the U-Haul truck?
we're just going to drop it
We're gonna
off.
come back.
$850.
Okay, Gilbert, get out your wallet.
Where's your wallet?
I don't have a wallet. Here, there's something in my Zoom. I left my wallet at home. There you go.
Okay,
It's a good thing we know the manager.
and then I'll just put it down here. Okay, I need you to sign your name right here for me.
Did he just do that probably? No, just
No,
do.
that's
No,
forging
sign
my
your
name. Sign your
Gilbert is
name.
renting this truck.
Mom, it's kind of like you can find like that Freddy's. It's kind of like. Hey, but there's one question. Can you drive with us?
I'm gonna have to, aren't I? Because it has to be someone with a driver's license to drive it.
Okay. Doesn't mine have a driver's license?
I have to take care of little kids.
Mom is gonna drive the van because we have to have a way to get home.
Oh.
Ability for this truck.
What
Right
about
there,
me?
you have that?
Yep, got
What
it.
about me?
Okay. You put your initials JW in that white box.
Did you hold that?
Signing your life away. It's not the first time.
And then you
That
will
was
sign right here for me.
What are you doing? Renzo. What'd you find, George? The key?
Okay.
George has the key.
Their names are all on here. That means they're being responsible for this. That means it has to make it safely to California. The truck costs $45,000. Or no, this one costs $85,000. So you don't want to ruin it. Okay.
Hold your hand, you.
All right.
You hold on to that. I'm gonna hold on to this.
Okay.
Let's go get your
George is
keys.
gonna drive us. He's got it.
George, you got it.
I got
You ready? I'm gonna go get in the truck. Let's go move ourselves. We're gonna go move to Disneyland in this big giant truck. Can't forget the baby. You ready to move to Disneyland?
Yep. I'm just waiting to get in.
Now, Clay, find the key.
You want to get in, George?
You don't have to go all the way inside to find the key.
Wait, the key's hidden?
The key is hidden inside. The key. Okay, take a seat. It's an 11.5-hour drive. You guys sure you're up for this? Okay, go get in, George.
Okay.
Just sit right here on these little things. Okay, see you in 11 hours.
Lock it up nice and secure.
Oh, George is crying. move yourself to the park?
We successfully survived a drive inside a moving van, which was actually a Uhaul. I can't believe we survived that.
Well, you know you had a good driver.
Yeah, it was hot and we ran out of snacks. Well, you sit your seat.
Where did they go?
To go find something to eat. Come on, everybody, here we go.
George! Move your arms so you can see. George, are you on the choo-choo train?
We'll find you.
What do you think, Ren? Heimlich's choo-choo train. Look, he ate a carrot.
I wish candy corn was a vegetable.
And a peach. Oh, that's an apple? I thought it was a peach.
Let's go over and eat that nice, juicy apple.
Oh, that's funny. What do
Oh, that is good.
Is that funny? Oh, we're gonna go in a watermelon tunnel.
You smell what I smell? That's watermelon.
Oh, it's gonna squirt us.
Delicious
Oh, it's gonna squirt us, Ren. Oh, you got watermelon juice on you. Oh, it smells good. smells like watermelon.
Oh, I love animal crackers. It smells so yummy in here. My favorite part of animal crackers is all of it.
Did you smell the watermelon? No, it smells like crackers, huh?
Goody, goody, oh, there's so many
This ride's gonna make me hungry.
These are my favorite things to eat. Oh, all of this choo-chooing has made me full. Oh, oh.
Of Terror. Yeah, the Guardians of the Galaxy. No, we're at Tower of Terror. Yeah, Tower of Terror. Now look over there.
That doesn't
Just
look like.
kidding. It's now Guardians of the Galaxy.
Looks impressive though.
It used to be Tower of Terror until it got knocked down.
We're gonna break into the collector's house and we're gonna steal back
One
the Guardians of the
time,
Galaxy.
the collector invited us. Tower of Terror. Tower of Terror.
He doesn't know we're here to break out the Guardians.
Okay, so here's the real story. A few days ago when we were doing our Eclipse video, we got a message from Rocket saying that we need to come here to help him break out with his friends. You talking about me?
Fruit.
There's a collector, and guess what he collected?
What do you think?
I'm scared.
You're scared?
Guess what? He collected the Matterhorn Yeti.
Oh my goodness, no way.
See, Rocket's trying to escape.
And then a simple wave of your hand will be your passport into my inner sanctum.
Right there?
You will be well taken care of.
Attention.
Oh, over there.
Raise your hands now.
Rocket's gonna
Pop in right there.
Right there.
Right there.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I carefully
scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy that I've let you this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ow! Oh, but that was not part of the plan. Why? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. The rocket unplugs you and starts things right. Now show me those hands, people. You got clearance. Let's roll.
What are we going on now? Blade, what are we going on? Luigi's Roadsters. Rollickin' Roadsters. Cruise?
Now my cousins shift into D for that.
Whoa! What the heck?
Yes, yes.
Are we dancing in the Lorenzo car?
Dancing it.
Where did Ellie go? Oh, they're over there. George! George! He's like ready for bed.
George, do you want to go on Flix Flyers? You want to go on the ride? Here we go. We're going to go on this. Right over there. We're going to go on that ride.
Are we flying, George? Whee! Up and down. What do you think, Ren? It kind of feels like Bulgy the Whale, huh? What you think, George? Got Grandpa and Mom over there. Kids over there.
Yeah. Right now we're going on Mater's Junkyard.
Alright.
Mater's Junkyard.
You know why I sing so good? Because I just had a tune-up. You ever need to go? You know where to go. Trouble if you get in trouble. Shoot, it don't matter if it's big or small. Black tire, green wine, no gas, broke glass, go Mater's the one you want to call. When you roll, far away from home, and somewhere your head begins to crack. Oh no, you're not alone.
So tell me a little bit about your Disneyland experience so far.
So we ate lunch before we went on this ride, and we went on Soaring Over the World, and we went to Cars Land and Bugs Land, and rode a few rides. And now we are at Grizzly Bear Rapids.
Okay, cool.
Fans and love.
Ellie!
It began when King Triton asked Sebastian to keep an eye on Ariel. Like,
Blade!
it began when King
Grandpa!
Triton got home and Ursula took Ariel's voice and whoa, this story's getting away from me. Gotta slow down, get ahead of myself.
Is that fun?
This is a great tale. That's maybe the tale.
Oh, we're going backwards now.
For a pair of land clothes
Luigi's tires? Wait, what?
Is that what we're doing in the car?
You can get Luigi's.
You guys ready to take on the cars ride? It's just a nice easy stroll. Nothing special about this, huh? Just a nice easy stroll.
Here's the galaxy.
The race, huh? It's gonna be fun. Hey, you ever gone tractor tipping? It's easy. You sneak up on them and pump. Ready? Don't let drink catch you.
We're all visitors on this planet.
Yippee.
Race day.
Radiator Springs.
Not only need to be fast,
You need to look fast. Get a chow. Ramon!
Ramon will pinch you up, right? Looking good. Into you now. All right. Are you ready to fight? Good luck, man. Come on in, rookie. Shiny feet don't win a race. Now get out there and do us proud.
Glorious, the race of your life!
Nighttime at the Disneyland Pier. Get that Ferris wheel lighting up.
This feels awesome.
It's been quite the fun day, huh?
Yep.
Disneyland tomorrow. You excited?
Yep.
All right.